In this video, I'll show you how to check email rendering in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you want to click on the second option, which is Campaigns. Now, once you are on the Campaign section, what you need to do is simply head over to the campaign in which you want to preview. Let's say we want to preview a draft email first. So on the right-hand side, head over to the three dots for more actions, and at the bottom, click on View in Browser. Once you do that, you'll be able to have a preview of this campaign. What you can also do is on the left-hand side, if we click on Edit, that will take you to the options or the settings of your campaign. At the top of the preview, click on the first option, which is Preview. And from here, you'll be able to render how it looks like on desktop, mobile, as well as inbox. Let's say you want to check the render of a sent email. So head over to a sent email. This will be my email campaign. On the right-hand side, click on View Report. That will take you to the campaign. From here, you want to head over to the title. At the bottom, click on View Email. Once you do that, you'll be able to have a campaign preview. At the top, you can also see the HTML source, the plain text email, as well as the details of your campaign. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.